episode of Amelia's Kitchen. Yep, I'm actually starting to pull this off now. Yay! Thank you for being here. So I'm really excited today. I bought myself a couple of little new toys. Yay! I probably shouldn't have because I'm kind of broke right now, but I've had some recipes in mind that I really want to try out, and I decided to buy myself 2 new toys. These recipes keep asking for a whisk, or they ask for me to whisk something, and well, you know, a fork does it, but it just doesn't quite do what a whisk can do. And there's been a couple of other recipes that have asked for a blender or for a food processor, and it's just been like, I've had the ingredients, but I haven't been able to do the job. So yesterday I went out and bought myself 2 new toys. I now am the proud owner of a whisk. Yay! I have never been so excited for kitchen implements. And check it out, I bought myself a hand blender. Woohoo! So I'm gonna unbox it. Yay! This one I bought from, like I say, this video is in no way sponsored by anyone. I'm just excited. And well, you know, if it works, you might want to go get one. I don't know, you know, just saying. This is Platinum. No, not the actual metal, just the Platinum brand. And I bought it at Checkers yesterday. If you're from South Africa, you know what Checkers is, Checkers Hyper. And I bought it for 350 Rand, well 349, but you know, 350. And so let me unbox it. I haven't unboxed it yet. And sweet! What should I make first? Yeah, this is so exciting. Let's unplug here. There we go.